The passage of steady currents of air with high humidity through the eastern slope of the Andes Mountains results in the forest to remain moist and warm all year round, forming a habitat of the Amazon, with the appropriate conditions for tiny, fantastic creatures known commonly as glass frogs, found in the Centrolenidae family. In Ecuador, you can find several species of glass frogs with different morphological characteristics, like transparency of the abdomen, being one of the most interesting since not all glass frogs have their internal organs visible. Here we observe the ghost glass frog that has reflective cells known as iridophores. Iridophores are biochemical compounds that reflect light using plates of crystalline shamachrome made from guanine and other purines that cover the intestines, except the urinary bladder and the heart. A small, beneficial inhabitant is the species of glass frog endemic to Ecuador called jambue, which eats flies and other bothersome insects. In this species, iridophores cover all parts of the intestines, heart, digestive tract, and liver, except the urinary bladder. These species are vulnerable to extinction due to climate change and habitat loss. Predators are another threat for these frogs, and their survival mechanisms are based on camouflage, making them invisible to their enemies, preventing them from easily being detected. This perseverance to survive makes glass frogs amazing animals, with some possessing the ability to become translucent, a trait more common in aquatic animals than in terrestrial animals. Here in the humid mountain forests, the animal that does not adapt to survive in this harsh environment disappears,